Hi, this is Bird from Birds SVGs.com, and in this video I'll be showing you how I put my cupcake card together. Okay, I'm working on the pocket first. So we'll fold the front over, and it's got a tab on the right hand side, and then the bottom of the pocket has got a tab. And then that bottom tab will stop your cupcake from sliding right the way through. Now you have an optional stand if you'd like your card to stand upright. Just add some glue to that little tab there, and as best you can line it up straight on a right angle. There, and it stands up. But of course it folds away and fits inside your envelope. Okay, we have some layers to pop on the front of your pocket. And this one gives you the illusion of a cupcake case. So we're not popping glue all over it, we're just going around the outside edges. And it will line up exactly over the front of your pocket. And then you have these two pieces here. One is a scalloped oval and the other is a smaller oval that fits inside. And if you have a nice small stamp, you can add a sentiment there. Or of course you can handwrite it on. Now you can glue that in place, or as I'm doing here, I'm adding a 3D foam pad. Okay, now this is the cupcake section that slides inside your pocket. Now this is the detail layer that goes on top of the frosting area. Okay, I've cut my cupcake from a brown piece of cardstock because I like chocolate cake. And this section here at the bottom I've cut in white because this is where you add the message to your recipient. But that area will hide inside the pocket, so they'll have to slide out the cupcake to see the message. Now the top of your cupcake here, the frosting area, I'm going to glue this down, but you could also add some 3D foam pads behind this frosting area to add some extra dimension. And then you'll see on my sample card I added some enamel dots as well to represent sprinkles on the top of my cupcake. And you'll have a coordinating envelope within your download. There, the perfect accompaniment to any cupcake.